This product is the high-quality moss you were looking for. This is a special species of moss. It's named the Leucobryum moss. It's natural moss with the nature base, but not only the moss hairs. As you can see, this is a whole piece of nature moss with the nature base. It grows very good. Today we are going to do some inspections and measurement. This moss is sold in box, but in fact it's sold in size because each box is suitable for decoration of about 0.16 square meters. Now we're going to check if the size is really such big. We're going to take them all out. Okay, now they are all on the desk. Let's do some measurement. Okay, this size is about 48 centimeters, and here is about 35 centimeters. Now, take out your calculator and do a calculation. So the size is actually bigger than 0.16 square meters. This moss is highly recommended for decoration. After you put it on the wall or on the floor, it looks really like a real moss land, but not like others, looks like something painted. That's all of this product. If you like it, please visit our online shop for more details. Thank you.